Joel from Performance Exhaust here today, guys, and today we've got a lovely Y62 in. This Y62 is getting the full pacemaker treatment. We're getting a pacemaker set of headers, high flow cats, and a 3-inch exhaust. We'll get it up in the air, get the old one removed, and we'll show you how we get it done. Alright, so we're under the vehicle now. You can see the original system. We've got a rear muffler there going up and over the cradle. Big middle muffler coming through. We've got our secondary cats, that Y off. And then we keep going under, and we've got our primary cat. So everything on this exhaust related is being removed. And yeah, we'll get it off. Alright, so as you can see, moved the inner guard liner, gives us a way better look at the situation here. You've got to remove the top and bottom bolt of the steering shaft, all the heat shield bolts for the actual cast manifold itself before you can actually get to it. You can undo the O2 sensor, or you can just unplug it, take it out as a whole unit with the cat. We'll start removing all of that, get back to you. Right, so as you can see, we've got both systems side by side at the moment. We've got the old standard system and the new system going on. So as we go through the new system, you can see fantastic King Brown by Pacemaker system, 3-inch all the way through, splits off to 2.5, goes to 2.5-inch high flow cats, and then you've got the fantastic looking pacemaker extractors. Compared to the original, you're looking at heaps better flow up top. Fantastic for people that are looking to make a little bit more power with their Y62s. And just overall, you're talking about an increase in volume. Now this system is going to sound absolutely fantastic. We'll get it on the car, show you how we do it, and then we'll get some sound clips.
Alright, so full install is complete. You can see the fit up looks great. The exhaust is going to sound fantastic. Customer's going to be real happy. We did have to add O2 blockers because this customer is not getting it tuned, but this should have zero issues at all. Time to get it down and see what it sounds like.